It was the best-selling Italian military training aircraft of the post-war period, valued for its yacht maneuverability and control, and was even used in aerobatic missions. Widely used for pilot training by various air forces, it reached a speed of 806 km/h and broke many world records. It could be armed for light attack missions, as shown by its use by South Africa in campaigns against the People's Armed Forces for the liberation of Angola. It left a lasting legacy as one of the most versatile and respected training aircraft of its era,